Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Bet you weren't expecting to see me today. Well, we're gonna have some fun because I thought it would be cool to check out some of our other favorite vegan YouTubers' recipes. So today we're gonna be trying out Lauren Toyota, aka Hot for Foods, cauliflower wings recipe. So in her video, she did wings 3 different ways. We're gonna do the barbecue wings because my little esophagus cannot handle the what's it called?
Spicy.
No, what's the word I'm looking for?
Buffalo.
The buffalo. I can't do the buffalo. So we're gonna do the barbecue. We had some issues, okay? We were gonna make this earlier in the day, and then we realized that our cauliflower was old and grimy. So we're not gonna be using fresh cauliflower. We're going to use some frozen, which is totally fine. It's cheaper, smells just the same even through the bag, and we won't have to cut it up, so that's a plus. So ours is also a little bit different in that we're gonna be using the air fryer instead of baking our cauliflower wings. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and list the amounts for all of the ingredients in the info box below, but I'm just gonna take you through what's going into these beautiful wings. So we're gonna start with our flour already in the bowl here. And I already measured out all of our ingredients, our dry ingredients. So we have the granulated garlic, we have the onion powder, we have pepper, cumin, paprika, which I just love looking at. It's such a beautiful color. And then we have some Himalayan sea salt here. So we're gonna go ahead and add our dry ingredients to the bowl of flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix those up a little bit before we add in the dry. I think it's always good to make sure that your dry ingredients are well incorporated before they get all sticky. All right, now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. We are going to add 1/2 cup of water to this. I don't want to get anything wrong because I feel like if Lauren was here, she would yell at me and she'd be like, why didn't you follow the instructions? By the way, we're gonna be linking Lauren's blog post where she posted this recipe originally and her tutorial video as well in the info box if you want to check that out, which you probably should. So we're also gonna be adding 1/2 cup of unsweetened, not milk. So we're using cashew milk, but you could use soy milk, almond milk, any of the nut milks. Whoop! I added a little extra ahead of time, so I think that'll even out to about 1/2 cup.
Can I just say, make sure that it's not vanilla?
Yeah, you don't want to add any of like the flavored milks because then it's gonna taste sweet, and we're not about that life for our cauliflower wings. Okay, so those are actually all of the ingredients in our batter, so we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. I think it should get pretty thick.
Thickish.
Yeah.
It's a thickums.
It's gonna be thick-ish. Why do I suck? So
it's not your fault.
These little frozen cauliflowers are
tiny.
Very tiny. So we're gonna go ahead and do like a clump of them together, cover them in the batter, and then load up this air fryer. So we're gonna space it out so that none of them are actually touching, but they can be close because this is not like a baking situation where they're gonna be like,
no.
So let's see.
You know what? Goes. This is all about making it work.
Yeah, we're here to have a good time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put in this clumpy. I'm just afraid I'm gonna lose some and forget they're in there.
No, you'll figure it out.
That's pretty good, right? We're gonna bring this over. Bloop, 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 bloop. Place it in the air fryer. I don't see how that's gonna hold together, but you never know.
I think that will be terrific.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right. So
might as well just dump them all in there.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, it's time for dumpies.
Oh my God, Lauren, if you ever see this, I'm sorry. We will come back when this tray is all filled up. So here's some updates. Number 1, I think my batter was too thin because
I don't think so. I think it's okay.
She said it's not supposed to drip, and mine is like super drippy. But we're going to push forward. This is the air fryer batch, and
we decided to do dueling.
Right. We're also gonna bake some because we want to see what it looks like, and because we didn't have enough room, and I have things to do. I can't sit around and wait for 2 batches to go through the air fryer.
Twice
Yeah,
each.
I know. So we're gonna set our oven. She said 450.
That's a lie.
That's seems crazy.
Maury said that's a lie.
So we're going for 400. I think we're gonna check after 20 minutes, see where it's at.
Yeah.
And then
maybe 15.
We'll see. I'm scared. It just seems like such high heat for a long time.
Yeah.
Especially since my batter is on the thinner side. I don't want to burn them.
Right.
All right, now for the air fryer. I'm gonna need some help with this because I've actually never used the air fryer before. So we're gonna turn it on.
Right.
We're gonna up this, right?
No.
We're gonna leave that.
We're gonna French fry.
Okay.
And I think it's gonna go for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's have 18. Well, you could just bump it down.
Okay.
Let's try 15.
Sounds good.
See what happens.
We'll check back. Okay, so now we are going to make our barbecue sauce that's gonna go on top of the batter. Ugh, it's sticky. Okay, so we already have some melted butter.
Vegan butter.
In the bowl, and this is actually our own recipe, so if you guys want to make your own vegan butter, we will link that as well in the description. So we're gonna add some Kansas City barbecue sauce to this, not our recipe. So in the hot for food recipe, it says like a whole cup. That seems like a lot, and I know I should be following what she's saying in this, but I'm not. How much do you think that is?
Yeah, that's good.
Really?
It's like, I don't know, half a cup.
I was gonna measure it and Mom was like, no, don't.
Just dump it in. Half of it ends up on the measuring cup anyway, and you end up washing it down the drain.
Oh, there's my timer.
Alright, that looks like a total eclipse of the sun.
It does, right? With like, the butter on the outside. Okay, so that's like pretty well mixed, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Was that sarcasm or for real?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so now we are going to take our battered cauliflower. See, it's sticking together pretty good, so that's nice. That's reassuring.
Yeah.
And we're going to cover it.
I would, you know, you can put them all in there.
Oh, really? Okay, we're going to cover them in the sauce. And then we're gonna put them back in the air fryer.
So these were in for actually 14 minutes.
Right.
And we did bump up the toaster oven to 450 just to see what would happen.
Yeah, those should probably come out actually. So I'm gonna put some of these back in before I do the new ones. We'll check back.
That's a lot of sauce.
All right. Okay guys, so these are fully coated. Smelling nice.
Okay, so maybe it was a cup.
So we're gonna put this back in the air fryer.
I think 10 minutes will do.
According to the recipe, it's another 25.
Yeah, but...
What is wrong with you? This is supposed to be my video.
Whoa, look at that.
That looks beautiful.
It does look beautiful. I think we should just abandon the toaster and do the rest of these in the air fryer.
This is such a mess,
second
but
part.
I hope you guys are at least entertained.
Yeah, it's pretty entertaining.
I mean, that's the good part about cooking, right? It's
Yeah.
having a good time, eating good food.
I bet you can't wait to taste those.
I'm very excited.
So these are probably going to be just as good as these because we're going to do these in the air fryer.
I mean, I think they would be good baked too, but...
No, I don't think they'd be as good.
Okay.
Just my opinion. IMHO.
All right.
You ready to taste it?
Taste. I want to get your opinion too, so...
Okay, well I don't want to eat them all because this is going to be your dinner at Dungeons and Dragons tonight.
I'm going to bring some of these along and I want to see what my non-vegan friends think. Mmm. That's good.
Alright.
Lauren? I don't know how true we really stayed to your recipe, but the bones of it were so good that it worked out anyway.
Alright.
But let me get your opinion. Right? That is nice.
Good job, Miss Toyota.
Alright guys, if you want to see more videos where we kind of
other people's recipes,
hit the like button, leave us a comment, let us know, and subscribe for more. So until next time, much love.